Stocks in news, Lenskart and RBL Bank. RBL Bank block deal, M&M likely to sell entire stake for 682 crore rupees today. RBL Bank shares ended the previous session 1.96% lower at 322.3 rupees apiece. The stock has seen a significant rally, gaining 16.9% over the past month, 63.5% in the last 6 months. According to reports, M&M is set to offload its entire 3.45% stake in the lender for 682 crore rupees, setting the floor price at 317 rupee per share. The floor price is set to be at 317 rupee per share. The transaction is set to yield M&M a 64% return on its 417 crore rupees investment made in July 2023 when it purchased a minority holding at 197 rupee per share, reflecting the robust appreciation in RBL Bank's stock value over the period. On another front, Emirates NBD Bank is set to invest up to 26,853 crore rupees, approximately $3 billion, to acquire a 60% stake in RBL Bank. This investment will proceed via a preferential equity issue at 280 rupee per share, following board approval to allot 96 crore new equity shares last month. Lenskart Solutions IPO, check application status, odds of allotment, latest GMP and more. Lenskart Solutions sold its shares in the price band of Rs 382 to 402 apiece, applied for a minimum of 37 shares and its multiples to raise 7,278 crore rupees between 31st October to 4th November. Lenskart Solutions is scheduled to finalize the basis of allotment of its shares on Thursday, 6th November. Bidders will get the messages, alerts or emails for debit of their funds or revocations of their IPO mandate latest by Friday, 7th November. The omni-channel eyewear retailer saw a strong response from the investors during the bidding process. The IPO of Lenskart Solutions was open for subscription between 31st October to 4th November. It had offered its shares in the price band of Rs 382 to 402 per share with a lot size of 37 shares. The company raised a total of 7,278.02 crore rupees from its IPO, which included a fresh share sale of 2,150 crore rupees and an offer for sale, OFS, of up to 12 crores 75 lakhs 62,573 equity shares. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.